go, neck go, neck, yana neck go, neck no neck, yana necko, yana necko. Yana necko, 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 neck, necko, necko, necko. Necko, necko, neck, and the neck go, neck go, neck, the neck, necko, necko, neck, necko, necko, neck, necko, necko. Necko, 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 neck, necko, 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 neck, necko, 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 neck, necko, 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 necko. Necko, necko, neck, necko, necko, necko.
Hey everybody, still getting ready here. Snarf.
Necko, 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 necko.
I'm going to be programming again tonight. Hopefully I'll be able to make a little CLI. To at least print stuff to the command line. And then after that, I got to go to bed kind of early. Early-ish. Early for me. So, yeah. I better get to it, right? I can be a grandpa now. That's what's crazy. My son's almost 19. Oh, shit. I'm gonna close this. I might like restart my PC though. Hello. Hello, private. Always punch me in the face. Ow.
Necko, 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 necko,
Necko, necko.
necko, 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 necko.
He's feeding me. Oh.
Necko, necko, necko.
Nice.
Necko, necko. 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 Necko, necko. Necko, necko, necko.
Play this music here. Play that funky music, white boy.
Necko. Necko, neck.
Play that funky music right. I should be like clipping still. Because like the Camilla like Pippa collab has been like doing very well for me. Decently well. It's not like popping off, but it's doing pretty good. Yeah. They're like, for the last two, they're my number one in 5K. Yeah. Yeah, they're doing pretty good. And like, there's plenty of like other stuff in there that I thought was like really good. I was gonna, and I know what to label it because I kind of like, I could find it actually, my message in there. I was like, man, these two have like a lot in common. Or like, I knew they kind of like, they had a lot in common, but that's what I put. I was like, I knew they had a lot in common, but I figured they would. I don't know why. They just kind of seem like a little similar-ish. I don't watch Camilla a lot, so I could have been completely wrong. But I do kind of want to program in this, and yeah. Hello. How's it going? You living the life? Are you living the dream? Living the dream. Hell yeah, dude. There's nothing better than living the dream. So I've been working on these like search tools going through like chats, and you know what? I'm doing this, and I think I'm gonna like design a an editor. I think I'm gonna do it because of just all the complaints I have with all these editors. And if you're gonna bitch about it, right, you might as well just make it. So I'm gonna have to start planning, and it'll probably be one of those like things that I never really fully like finish. But maybe I can make like start off as like editing tools, right? Especially like for like live streams, like as someone's like doing a live stream, it'd be nice to like have like your own editing tools while they do it, right? And be able to at least to start off with grab stuff like as it's live. Like, hey, I want to have like this, that, and this. Maybe something that's like with a GUI. It is a huge undertaking, but I think if I eventually make these tools, and I think if I have the foundation set right where it's like super flexible, yeah. Do I have like multiple ones of these up? Okay, I think I'm going to need to close this one. Let me check my fish throwing thing. I accidentally opened it twice. Well, that's okay. That's okay. Yeah. So yeah, I think if I start off with just like editing tools, what I've learned from you that it's that Kdenlive is actually not that bad. It's really not, but there's like some things like where it's just not compatible like across platforms. And I think if I just like make it solely Linux, I know like that'll be pretty shitty, but I don't know. Maybe Linux or maybe Windows. I don't know. There's something I got to do here first. I just got to think about it. Like and I think like I can do like take a lot of these effects because these are like open source. Oh, can't see. Fuck. These are like open source effects here. Yeah. Oh yeah, like this is like great. You can like grab images out of here, and then if you have it set up, like I think configure Kdenlive, you can set up like an environment, like which app will, I don't know if that's the one here. Which app will like open up project defaults? No, miscellaneous. You can be able to like set it up so like it'll open a program when you go to edit. Like if you're like trying to edit like an image, which is pretty cool. Oh, you see loops is definitely not JSON. What the fuck? What does this say? Programming some chat JSON tools. Yeah, I'm going to be working with JSON. I mean, I got some JSON over here, right? Yeah. If you're not for looping through a JSON file, you're doing it wrong. If you're not looping through a JSON file, here's like me loading up something from a JSON file. Yeah. So I did like a find message contains. Oh yeah, I gotta finish this search. So yeah, I think I'm gonna like kind of like start the basis of it. Like, well, I'm still editing, and so that I'll start making these tools, and then eventually they'll all kind of like come in together. But like the first thing I want to do is like make a program that will like allow me to cut out bits and pieces of like a stream, basically, as it's streaming. And also like, yeah, that. So, but I got to see like how basically like YouTube Archive does it, and go from there. But I think like this will be something like, maybe you're a streamer, right? And you got your own editor. Maybe you're like like a VTuber. Heaven forbid you're a VTuber and you have your own editor, right? Well, I'm sure the editor is like watching most of it, I would think, right? Watching your stream and finding what's funny. Well, maybe they want to like edit some stuff like, hey, this is fucking really funny. And kind of like have like the same kind of tools as like almost like YouTube, right? So you go to like a YouTube and say we're on this one. I thought I meant to close that. Can I just go in straight into this? Let's go like into my thing. Into my thing. Where's YouTube? Where's me? Where am I? View my channel. So we're like right here. Oh. No, let's do like right here. Like, oh, this fucking place is hilarious. Look at him. He's all like, ah, that's hilarious too. What the fuck? I am full of laughs. So you like, okay, it's like 6 or 7. You go back, you find out like where you want to go, right? And then you like pull that out. And then like, it can go into the editor or whatever. But then you can like, then set it to, like a playback speed of like 1.75 or whatever, right? And so then you can catch up editing tools while they do it, right? And be able to, at least to start off with, grab stuff like as it's live, like, hey. And then when you find like another spot, then you can kind of, so not like lagging too far behind, and then you're not going to like miss the spots that you want. Yeah. I think that's kind of be the basis of it. Gas pump. Pump that gas. Pump it. You can't join your own thing. But anyways, that's what I'm thinking. But eventually, that would be like the basis start, right? I'd want to be able to watch a stream, have it go in here, also grab the chat at the same time, and then like have the tool where I can kind of just like grab clips, so to speak. Yeah. As they're going. And if commercials come up or whatnot, have it in there. I'll make it so like you have to sign into like YouTube or whatnot and be part of their ecosystem or whatever that you're looking through. So you're not like some jerk trying to just skip out on the, advertisements and stuff like that. Yeah, I don't want to be that guy. But yeah. I don't know. We'll see. It'd be like tools that I think would be for any kind of streamer, if they have like their own editor, and hopefully their editor is a fan of them. Like they can have something just get pulled up real quick and bam, 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 baby. But yeah, Caden Live uses effects that are, it's an open source effects thing. It's funny because like a lot of them don't really have like descriptions of what they do. What does this do? What's the input? What's it output? Like what am I getting? Like there's like no description. No one can tell you. Good luck finding it, right? I don't think I need to save this. Do not save. Bam. So this one here, I was making a function that was going to be find message contains. This is super inefficient, but it'll go through like all the messages and then like it's gonna get the number it contains. And I was gonna say like I was gonna put found num contains, but I think I'm gonna put like percent contains, and that's gonna be an int also. Maybe, I don't know. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, and I was gonna put like I had like partial, but I think I'm gonna be like percent contained. And then I wish I could set limits to it. I guess I could set a limit to it. Obviously, you're not going to be one at 0. It can't be 0. Yeah, because I'll just grab everything, and that'll be like worthless. Although, like, I guess, like, yeah, that'll be worthless. That'll be worthless. Okay. I'm actually going to leave like a thing in here. Okay. Percent contain find message contains looks. What is this? Takes a message. What the fuck? Message texts. I spell worse than Pippa. All right. Takes message. I want to have a fucking takes message text string and separates it by white space spice. Separates the string. Well, and finds each of the words in it. I guess we'll search like each message. Okay. And I guess like, okay, so for takes a message text string and I guess like, how do I want to say it? And for each message in the feed, it will find each word separated by white space. White space, and it's not going to be like in any order. So by white space and I guess like it will feed it message in the feed it string, and for each message in the feed it will see if that word, okay, it will search for each word separated by a white space. Not in any order. Yeah. It will then put it will then return a slice with anything with a percentage greater than or equal to what is in percent contained. Slice of messages, which is, yeah. Slice of messages with a percentage of words. Okay, and percent contained. All right. All right. Clear as mud. Will turn a found. Found is true if there is a message with all of the words contained in it. Contained in message text in a message in the feed. All right, there we go. Wow, that's great. So at first I just had true if it just found one that was like 100%, but I was thinking like we can return all the partials, right? Well, what if you have like the of a, like you're gonna get a ton of shit like that, right? So if you're like an asshole, I guess like if percentage contained is over 100, it will be set to 100. If it is 0, if it is less than 1, then it will be set to 1. There we go. Great. Love it. Okay. So I think I'm going to have like, this is going to be my main one. I might do like within a time period too. I think this will be the best one to have. Because like you might not know exactly what the words were, right? Like, especially if you like watched it and just like, yeah, something similar to this. So, okay. And before, like, I was just searching for like a complete phrase. So it would just be like, if you like one string's greater or equal than to like another string, which like, if you mess up early in it, then you're completely fucked. I guess you could search again, but I don't want to be that stingent. Okay. So let's do this. So if greater than 100, percentage contains equals 100. Else, if percentage contained is less than 1, percentage contained equals 1. There we go. That creates stupid users. That prevents stupidity. Yeah. So there we go. There we go. So we got that. All right. Else if... Now, I am not going to be... I'm not going to be like anal. Like, I'm not going to do a float. Like, fuck floats, man. Fuck floating points. I'm going to do hardcore... Oh, wait a second. I can't do percentages like that. Shit. Okay, you got the remainder. Hold on a second. I'm trying to think. Oh, Billy. I'm gonna have to write this out. Because if you do like all the time, like if you have a partial, like, you know, the length is gonna be like 7 and you got like, and you only count 5, right? You're like, oh, it's always gonna be 0, right? So how do we find the percentage? Man, I don't want to have to use floats. I guess I will. That fucking blows. Wait a second. Because I know mod does like just send you back the remainder, and then it'll just always be the same number then. Okay, let's just do a calculator here. All right, 100 like times 5 divided by 7. All right, so it's 5 divided by 7. Oh, there we go. That's what we'll do. All right, so we'll just multiply it by 100 and then divide it by whatever the percentage is. Okay, but wait a second. Yeah. But it's just gonna like truncate the last numbers, right? I'm not gonna do like if it's like if the modular is like the remainder is greater than whatever, then add 1 to it. Nah. We don't play by those rules. Okay. Okay, so... All right. Because this is napkin math. Okay, if... I guess, like... What's the partial? Oh. All right. Found is true. Message found. What the fuck? All right, and then this will be MSG dot. Percentage contains equals 100. Ha! There you go. And then also, what's it? MSG dot. Wait a second. Ooh. Ha. Ooh, this kind of sucks. Because I got to put it in twice. I guess I could do it here. Because I kind of changed this all up. Yeah, we'll just do it here. Okay, so MSG dot percentage contains equals msg dot. Wait a second. I guess I can do it here, but yeah, I guess I'll do it here. Divided by len of fields. There we go. Boo, 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 boo. I think I'm going to keep this here. Okay, msg dot percentage contains. There we go. Also, just throw it away. So len of messages. So it's depending on there, and then it's going to return it. Okay, excellent. All right. There we go. Len of fields counts them totally. So yeah. Wait a second. Number contains. Okay, because if it's 0. Yeah. Okay, if I want to add on to this shit, I will. First thing I got to do is take out all of these before I send it to. I guess I should check it. Actually, see if this works. But what the fuck, Dio? I want to close all these. All right, so, and then I want to move these to some safe space. Safe space. Okay, so test JSON. JSONs. All right. Meow. Holy shit. I should open up the folder. Where's my Golang folder? All right. Go there. Go there. I kind of want to keep this here. Matter of fact, I'm going to. Don't they have a Pippa TW YouTube? Here we go. We'll put this back in here. We'll put this here. There we go. That's funny that it copied this. Like, why did it do that? That's strange. Got, I guess, like, Twitch. There we go. Hell yeah. Okay, so test JSON location path. It does do that, right? Like, it does home. I guess I think I gotta put it all out. How does it go? Like, Shit, I don't remember how that fucking goes. I'm the worst. It's like, is it user? Or maybe it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Oh, it's home. All right, so home, Derek. Home, Derek. Desktop. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, come on. All right, so let me copy this. Come on. There we go. And const test file name. And then we'll just do this. What was it? Henya? Was it lowercase Henya? Yeah. And I don't need this here. There we go. Path. There we go. So I just want to check to see if this fucking works. What did I not save? What did I not save? It's telling me something's. What is it? Is it this one? We're gonna get rid of you. Something's not saved. What's not saved, bitch? One unsaved file. Don't you usually mark it? Maybe it's marked up here. Oh, there it is. Oh, I didn't save this one. Tell me if there's any problems, bitch. Make my day. Make my day. Let's close this. Working tree. Crate feed. Oh, I want to find that. Okay, so I want to use that. Where's feed at? Feed. Find message contains. I don't know how this is going to work out at all. So. Bounce on it. Oh, wait a second. Bounce it crazy dio. I want to do two lower on all these. So I got before we do let's hope it doesn't explode. It won't explode. But the bad part is it's going through like every fucking message. I meant to sort it too. I gotta sort it too. Fuck. Ha. So this will return everything. All right, so unsorted. Also, that's not the one. Also, it was gonna check for everything that's like uppercase. I'm gonna do everything too lower. Oh, fields. Okay. Message. Okay, wait a second. Sorted by messages. There we go. We're gonna do this one. I like sorted by messages. Oh yeah. This is gonna be awesome. Sorted by messages. We got to make everything too lower in here. So let's. I want to make sure I'm doing this right here. All right, so create sorted message copy. Okay. Ooh. So in here, like, we take out all the emotes. I should just make this a function. When did I do the two lower? I did the two lower afterwards. Okay. I think what I'm gonna do is because the thing is like I don't know that. How does it know the emote? Oh, it's all in there. Okay, so I'm not looking for that anyways. I don't have any in there. Man, I'm fucking retarded. All right, I'm the one that said it. All right, because you're not gonna put emotes in here. Although that could be something in the future. All right, so sorted messages. It sorts them, I think, in ascending order. It might be descending. Doesn't really matter. So, but I need to make everything to lower in message text. So, okay, so let's go in here and go message text equals strings dot to lower and message text. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Throws them all in there. We do all the counting and blah 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 blah. So they're not sorted. They're sort of sorted, but they're not. All right. So message. I think it has its original index in there. So, but I wanted to have it return. I think I want to have it return like the original messages. Maybe. I don't know. No. We'll pull them out later. Yeah, we can pull them out later. We'll have like a function for that. But I do want to sort it by percentages. So, okay, so I guess slices, is it sort? How do we do that? They have a sort function. Sort, slice. There we go. Now I don't remember. Okay, if j is less than I, Panx of x is not a slice. The sort is not guaranteed to be stable. Equals elements will be reversed from the maybe reversed from the original order. Huh. For a stable sort, use slice stable. The less function must satisfy the same requirements as the interface type less method. In many situations, the sort function is more ergonomic and runs faster. Huh. Well, we'll see if it runs descending or ascending. If it doesn't do it one way or another, I can just always like change that, right? So we'll just kind of grab this. All right. Yeah, I don't really care. Or do I? That creates a feed. Paste. Okay. This is messages. IJ. And this will be bitch. Why are you highlighting all that shit? Messages. I. Messages. J. Sort slice. What does it say? Slice what? Slice. What? Ah, shit. I could do like number contains. Or I can do the percentage contains. I think I'm gonna do number contains. Yeah, let's just do that. Slice. Stable. X. There we go. There we go. The chat messages, I guess like the chat messages will be I guess it will be just I kind of want to like rename this. Messages. No emotes. There we go. Ha. Now I don't have to put fucking. Now I don't have to put fucking comments on this shit. There we go. Ha! Lookity go, lookity go. So this is gonna be looking for Henya. Blah 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 blah. JSON. Yeah, it's in the create feed. So let's just run this. What? Go run create feed.go. There we go. 2 hours later. Oh, I need to have it. Oh. Nice. I don't know what percentages it has of it. So what are we looking for? Damn it. Damn. Oh. Holy shit. So it was in the... Oh, Billy. Oh, Billy. I think I need to do like words itself, not damn it. So Dio, it in there. How did damn get in there? Damn. Interesting. Who the heck is Billy? Did I say oh Billy? Oh, Billy. Have you seen Cable Guy? I guess it's based off another movie. How to damn. Message damn. I am so confused. How did damn get in there? I am so fucking confused. If found, print message else. Let's run this again. What the fuck was that? I didn't save it. Holy fuck. Let's make it like it contains like fuck ass what? And have it do everything that's like 70%. Here we go. Nothing? Oh. Okay. No complete message. There we go. I need to have it. What? All right. Am I? Okay. Did I do something wrong? Feed. Okay, there's nothing over 70. Okay. Bounce on it crazy. Dio. Anything over bounce on it crazy. Bounce on it, Dio. Anyway, bounce on it crazy style Dio. All right. There's a lot of it. All right. Needs at least 50 yards. Crazy style. Yeah, I won't catch anything like that. I won't catch like any kind of people being cute. I wonder if there's a thing to like compress like letters though. That'll be interesting. Like if you have multiple like presses, anything that's misspelled, it's not going to catch. I think I need to put percentage in there. Bounce on it crazy style. Oh, this is not, wait a second. Where's the Dio? Bounce on it when she walk crazy style. Bounce on it Dio. crazy style. Bounce on it. Henya Dio, crazy style Dio. Okay, so this one has like all that shit. So it's sorting it ascending. So, but we want descending. So I can either switch the I and the J or just do this. There we go. All right. Wait a second. What is this? What is this? Message emotes. Oh. Okay, so I have like a message. Let's find message. I guess we can put percentage. What is this project? It's me sorting through chat. So like I want to be able to like draw a chat, like if I'm editing something, especially when it's just like a single if it's like a, you know, the streamer's monologue, like someone in chat might say something and like I'll catch it, but then I just want to be able to like automatically draw it. Actually, that's like one project I want to use with this. There's also other stuff, but that's the main one. That's the one for now. I think I want to put a percentage, but right now, like, I'm looking for keywords. Keywords. You're gonna make millions with this. I gotta sell it. I gotta sell it. When I make the clippers, I wonder, can you FFmpeg? Can you sell stuff using FFmpeg? You get 10% cut. Oh. I'll invite you over to my beach house. You can. How about this? You can stay in my pool house for a week. Dude, I went to I worked at like a what's it called? Index time. I'm gonna put the percentage over next to that. Percentage. Percent S. Wait a second, it's a D. How do I, is it? What? Do I have to do a /? No. How do I do this? Wait a second. User. How do I denote a percentage? Is it 2 backslashes? Like that? Or can I do a percent here? Oh, okay. I can just do that. Never mind. I had a friend. Well, like, I kind of like was kind of messing around with a girl out there when I was like working at a band camp. And 1, 2, 3. And it's funny because like it turned out like her dad was like loaded. And yeah, he was like what the fuck is a user? Like, what did I do here? Okay. Like he owned like an architect firm like in San Diego, and they like designed a lot of the stadiums and shit over there and other buildings. And they had like they lived like really close to the beach, and they had like their own like swimming pool, I guess like a mansion for like the area, and like their own like pool house and all that shit. It's fucking awesome. Did you know that Sheena was detained for being short at the airport because she looked underage? Absolutely nuts. She even recently talked about it. Sheena from... I'm sure someone already clipped it. Phase. I was like her boy toy for a little bit. That's what happened. Although, like, I was a retard. She fucking came out and visited me, like, where I live. Like, she was in California and, like, where I was living at the time in Indiana. She fucking drove out and visited me. But she made it sound like it was, like, a done deal, like, with her boyfriend. Oh, I was gonna clip it, but the Sentient Sunflower already did it. You can post it? All right. Go for it. But thinking back, I should have fucking did something. As unknown verb? What? I guess I'll do that. What the fuck? Unknown verb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why I was doing this, bitch. I can't use percent. Okay, watch this. Can I put a percent in here? Oh, percent S. This is how I'm getting around it. There we go. So there, and then we'll do this because I'm... There we go. I don't think I can do percent. I'm just doing this. Did that fucking work? Let's see what happens. Well, fuck me in the goat ass here. There we go. Shut the fuck up. It's taking a long time to fucking look through it. Maybe I need to, like, in this search. What the hell? I thought I changed the thing. It's less than. I guess I did a less than. The fuck? I thought I changed one of these to greater than. That's less than. Now I'm scared because I think I changed one of these and I don't even know. Less than. Why wasn't it going there? Sort, slice, less than. I guess I'll make this greater than. I'm confused now, dude. I'm like scared. Like, what did I fucking change? Okay. Huh. Sort, slice, stable, greater than. I swear I changed one of these. I don't know, man. I'm scared. I don't know what I did. Yeah, the percent did it. I got the indexes here. Now I got to do like a scanf. Man, I fucking hate scanf. I fucking hate scanf. I tell you. And it's like harder. I think it's kind of harder to implement on Golang than it is in C, if I remember correctly. Bounce on a crazy style. Hell of a crazy style. And yet evil laugh. Hey, why is that in there? That shouldn't have been in there. Slice, sort. Huh. Yeah, I am. Let me see if I fixed. Is this what? Let's see what it changed. I think we're good here. I think it's all in create feed. Yeah, I didn't do anything there. Image handler. Slices. Remove. Okay. Feed. Great. What is this? Oh, that's what I added in. Compare. Maybe I hit the wrong button. Maybe I hit the wrong button. What's this? String. Find message to lower strings compared to lower. If found, strings I compare retain to lower. All right. There's no sorting there. Oh, I guess they're sorting here. All right. Well, I think we're cool with what I want to do here for right now. Although, like, I think I want to have, I'm going to create some, I think I'm going to do like current, okay. I'm going to print some other things like current index, like original index, blah, 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 blah. All right. So create feed. No, it's in feed. So let's close this. Chat message. String. I think that's it. So I want to have like some basic functions because I made them all freaking private. So I guess I could put like timestamp, time text. I could do like a time text. I guess I can. Maybe I want to return the original index. The percentage. I don't know if I need the percentage contains, but I'll do like current index, and I want to do like, I'd be like original index, and then like percentage, time, percentage, and then I'm gonna have like a current index. What is this here? That's weird. All right, so I'll have like a current index, sub index. How about that? Then and doesn't know its sub index. It does not. It does not. All right, we don't need to print that. Never mind. Cancel. Time, percentage. Do I have time? Time text. Yeah, we're good. We're good. I'll put it on the outside. Yeah. I wish there was like a thing where you can like shift everything down so it looks like nice and tidy. Yeah. Because I'm going to want to like select one. What if there's like CLI like tools, printing tools? Golang CLI printing tools. All right, what's this? Go CLI printing tools, Golang command line interface, printing tools and libraries. Printing library with leveled logging, debug. What the fuck? Image CLI, simple tool written in Go that prints images to the command line. And oh, that's kind of cool. All right, let's see what this is. What the fuck? Urfave is a declarative, simple, fast, and fun package for building command line tools and Go features. Because I just want to like have like a menu. I guess command line like be able to shift stuff over, right? I should be able to do that, right? I'm not like CLI menu tools Golang package. Go dev. What is this? What the fuck is this? What? Command line interfaces. The case. Elegant CLIs. All right. GitHub uses Go for command line tools that make it easy to work with GitHub. Wrapping Git in order to extend it with. Oh. What the fuck is this? Spiff. Cobra. I just want to fucking have a menu. Holy shit. What the fuck? What the fuck is all this? Provides a controller to organize your application code. What the fuck is all this shit? Add template function adds a template function that's available to usage. Oh. Add template funcs, adds template funcs, adds multiple template functions that are available. What the fuck? Case system allows. All right. I need more like information than this. If you're gonna make this like publicly available. Is this on GitHub? Maybe like the search is good, has something. Go to GitHub. Copy to clipboard. Cobra Kai. What the fuck is this? Oh. Warp the AI terminal for devs. What the fuck? Bruh. Oh, bear. It's command line usage. It's command line generating Cobra application. Command line program to generate Cobra applications and command files. What the fuck is Cobra? Your application scaffolding to a rapid development of Cobra-based applications is. Did I just like? What is Cobra? Oh. What are the fun things you can do with it? Nothing. Nothing fun comes from this. Go prompt. Anyway. I think I'm gonna do this. So func. See chat message. Fuck. Message. String. Return. C dot message. Func. C chat message. User. String. Return C dot user. Yay. Need the original index. Okay, so func c dot c chat message origin index int turn original index. Yay. I guess I want to have the found in there. So, and percentage contains func found int return c dot found. No, you fucking kidding me? Oh wait a second, not found. Percentage. This needs to be bool. And did I do percentage? There we go. Int. That should be contained. Not every function will do that. I need a timestamp. Time text. We'll do time text. And we will need to get the badges and all that shit. Yeah. Oh man, I'm gonna have to have that's like its own thing. Unless, oh yeah. Emote. What's emote? Start image. Emotes. Ooh. I think I might have to have a helper. We'll do time text. Time and text. All right. String. Return. Time text. There we go. Wow. Yeah, I think emotes, I probably need to make, I think I need to make public. Like emote here, public. Yeah, I think I need to do that. And here. There we go. Because like I got the images here. Yeah. Am I running any issues? Undefined emote. Undefined this. Demote. There we go. Holy shit. Here we are. For this, I need to like, ooh. The positions, I'm gonna have to figure out something for that. Like, yeah. But it won't work for stuff that's, I guess like, In here, I got sorted message. And I'll have to see if it has a fucking sorted message. Chat message is sorted message. Yeah. Cool. And I don't know if I have like that or... Okay. Is sorted message. Okay. What the fuck? Oh, return. Okay, I'm kind of... I don't know if I need that or not, but... In here... Create sorted message copy. Place all email's name, blah, 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 blah. F dot sorted messages. I dot is sorted message equals true. There we go. That'll help later on. Emote. I think I want to parallelize this shit. So I don't have to wait like 2 hours for it. Do. You know, I was thinking though, I can have like another if statement in here so it doesn't run through like every fucking message. Like find contains message. So like if I have like a percentage, like let's say it's 100%, right? As soon as like it's like misses one, it should be able to like kick out, right? Right now, like even when it like it checks everything, even though if like it doesn't have the percentage wise in it. Percentage contains. So, but I don't want to do like a fucking break. Because I got like this append here. Where's this append at? Fuck you. What are you doing? All right. It checks the fields. Contains here. So I think I need to do this. I need to have like a little small function in here and then I can break out. And then that can change like this here. Everything for this here. Yeah. Yeah. So I could make a little function. All right, so we'll make a little private function like func contains and return this counter. All right. And percentage contained. So I'll take like contains and it'll take a message. It does take the message. So it takes a string. Wait a second. It takes the fields. String. And the message. String. This is a thing of strings. And then min amount. Min count. Int. There we go. I don't even need the percentage. And we'll do this in here. Sorted messages. Yeah. So we'll take this. All right, and then we'll just do we'll return a count. Wait a second. Ooh. We'll return like a count. Okay, count int, and out within min. Cool. So okay, so if it contains plus, okay, so the min count, this will be count int. Count plus. And this will just be MSG. This will be the field. So if that's contained in it, then I'll do like a plus. We don't want to do it for all of them, right? Ooh. Else. Not count. Equals 0. Not counted plus. I think this will be the best way to do it. Does this make sense? It checks the whole thing. If it's not in there, it'll do the not counted. So the min count, I guess we'll be like length of ranges. Not counted max. Len of fields. Hey. So that'll be the number in there. Minus min count. Am I smoking crack here? Oh, yeah. I was going through all of them. I was like checking all my members that sent messages. And I was like, I better go through all these. I should make it like a weekly thing or daily thing or something. I just gotta kind of go through them. It's not like I have like 20,000 members like Saba. She doesn't even fucking look at she doesn't even look at the freaking the donos or anything like super chats. I don't think she looks at them. She definitely doesn't look at the free ones. Cut you off guard. Oh, that's cool. I get blown up all the time, so. Yeah, she is the Apex. She's Apex legend. Not that cute. Feeling. Wait a second. Who's all in here? I got like a couple super thanks today, so I had to make sure to stay on top of that. I'm losing fucking subscribers. I don't know what it is, like why I'm losing them. It was funny, like I gained 3, then lost 2, like on the new one, and just gained 1. Yeah. Okay, so not counted. Okay, let's think about this. Length of field is not counted. I guess like if not counted, okay, so this here will be like, I'm gonna put like contains return count. Ooh, wait a second. Ooh. Is there a way to like, I guess it has to count it up all the way. Contains return count. Doesn't mean anything. If the within bool, min bool is false. If within min is false. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Okay, so min count. Okay. So if min count with if not counted max greater than, wait a second. I think it's greater than equal. Let's make sure they're subscribed. A lot of content creators I sub to have to do these daily. I don't know, like, I think sometimes people just drunk or they're like half asleep and they unsubscribe. Or like sometimes like I get pissed off at somebody and I'll just unsubscribe for something they say. And then I forget. And I probably forgot. I don't. Hell, what it could be though, it could be just like, I don't think they would like unsubscribe people on purpose. I just don't believe it. Maybe I'm just like too, how do I put it? Maybe I'm just too fucking, trusting. All right. Not counted as, is it greater than equal to? Yeah, because then greater than or equal to not counted max. Return. I guess it would just return like count, just in case. We'll just return count and false. And then this here, we'll return return. Within min equals true. Return count comma true. I don't know. I don't even need this. So I'm just using this here to so I don't really have to fucking have to put too much comments in here. All right, so count. All right. So here we can do contains. Contains. And then fields. We'll put the fields. Comma msg.message. Comma, what's the min count? Oh, Billy. Oh, Billy. I knew I had to do some math here. Okay, so we got like the length of... We got fields, right? Okay, so... Fields... Length of fields... Field length, fields length, len of fields, and contains. I don't want to do a bunch of math already in there. I think min count equals, so we got the percentage, right? And we looked at the math. This is like 100%. I guess like we'll just take like fields. Wait a second. Field length. Times, because the field length times 100, right? Divide. Wait a second. Leaflet did. I only do that if I'm completely new to the channel and say something that just turns me off. Sometimes, like, I almost did it the other day because like this guy was like, he used to be like on this science show, I think, and like he was saying something about like Norway deserves like what's coming to them because they use fossil fuels. I'm like, fuck off, dude. That's fucking insane shit. It's insane climate change bullshit. Okay, Leaflet did that. Immediately unsubbed her. It was my first time watching her streams. She basically chalked up the colonization of America to human nature. I admit I've become sensitive to careless dismissals of what happened to Native Americans. I think like just certain things just get like brainwashed, and not brainwashed, or get shoved down our throats, right? And like the lies of like lies on the lies on stuff, like, and it's just like you just kind of get like dismissive on it. It's like how like, you know, like people bash the how do you put it, like bash the conquistadors about like making the Inca Empire like crumble. Well, they weren't nice people, right? They were fucking they did human sacrifices and shit. And it's a lot. We don't have to go into it. All right, I'll stop talking. Field's length times that. All right. And I guess like percentage contained, I divided by the percentage contained, right? That would be the min count. All right. I grew up with Captain Planet. Captain Planet, he's our hero. Bam, 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 boo, 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 boo. I think I need to do. I think this is going to make it bigger. I think this is going to make it bigger. Let's double check this. All right, so we got the field length. Let's say it gets 6 times 100, right? Divided by and like 70%, right? Let's see if this is like a good. Yeah, I just made it bigger. So 6 times 70 divided by 100. All right, that'll be like 4. That's less. So let's do 6 by percentage contained divided by 100. There we go. That should be it. Captain Planet. Captain Planet. All right, so contains, returns, count, comma, and what was this? Oh shit, something. Within men. There we go. All right. So we got like percentage contains, right? What is this? All right. We can delete this. Well, okay, throwing trash on the ground, like I'll fucking get pissed off if people just like blatantly like throw trash out of the car, like in the parking lot of someplace. That is fucking. That is uncivilized. You know what I'm saying? Like, what kind of like uncivilized heathen are you if you're throwing trash out of your car in a fucking parking lot? Fucking dipshits. I don't care. Like, yeah, accidental. Yeah, that's accidental. Like, yeah. I see fucking trash thrown on the road and shit. Blatant littering, yeah. Oh yeah. I started like, huh. I saw people do that. It seems to happen a lot, like whenever like times are tough. I've kind of noticed that. Okay, so if within men, All right, so I don't need this. I need to do this. But I do need to check, like, if that is 100%. All right, so. Okay. If it returns, if within min true, msg dot num contains equals equals count, and then I guess I can do all this shit. All right. Where's the message? All the metal in the ocean. All the metal? I mean, like, if it's just metal. Even like the plastic in the ocean. All that fucking littering. It's fucking disgusting, but should we clean it up? I don't know. I think, like, you can, like, waste all your resources trying to clean it up. Like, you know, that big plastic island or whatever they got. But all that shit's gonna break down by itself. Like, there's whole, like, bacteria that are forming out there that, like, break down plastics now. I don't know if microplastics, I don't know if I'm a true believer, like, if microplastics are fucking us up. All the metal, once you see it, you'll understand. Well, metal's metal. I mean, like, if going down there and if someone wants to, like, pick it all up because it's getting harder to get, I don't know, I guess I can look at it. I mean, don't blatantly dump it into the middle somewhere. I think, like, the thing is, like, recycling metal, I mean, they should just be all in that, like, trying to get that, recycle that metal. All right, so else. This should be an else. Okay. Hey, thanks for the raid. Thank you. Hopefully you all had a good stream. It doesn't tell me if you all, like, what y'all were doing. Overwatch? Hell yeah. Overwatch. Stadium? You know, like, I bought Overwatch, right? And now they took it away from me. I'm kind of pissed off. Yeah, I'm kind of pissed off. They took that shit away from me. I guess I can put this in here. I don't want to do like another if statement. But I don't need to do like a. Wait a second. I'm so fucking confused here. All right. What does this message percentage contains? Oh shit. Where'd it go? Let's cut this. Putting it here. I had the first one for PS4. Yeah, I bought it like on I bought it on freaking what's it called? On Steam or something. No, I bought it on the Blizzard app. Yeah. There we go. Num contains equals count. Okay, so that's if. If, else, if. I need to delete these. I thought I could get rid of more of that. I thought I could get rid of more of that. What time is it? 12 o'clock? Stop Killing Games was needed for at least 2 decades. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of pretty shitty that I think you had to buy it for $40. Like, you bought it for $40 and then they fucking take it away. I mean, that's pretty fucking shitty. And they take it away and give you like a free to play game or something. Like, I think it's like a free to play game, right? That's a pretty dickhead move. Not that I played it much, but yeah. Hopefully this will be faster. Okay, if within. Otherwise, it's not going to put it in there. All right. MSG. When does it return? Okay. You don't know for sure. Programming night. Do I have any issues? Okay, I'm gonna try running this. I meant to do like something else other than like trying to squeeze out performance. Why is it like this? What the fuck, Dio? What is this? Bounce on it. Oh. What the fuck? Sort of messages. Why is this in there? It shouldn't, any of these things shouldn't be in there. Yeah, so what the fuck? When did this happen? This one's 100%. Is free, but 2 is free, but 1 player's got special rewards for playing. Oh, like skins and things. I haven't even played 2. I played 1 like a couple times. And then after that I was done. Within count. I think I'm doing something wrong here. You got the counted plus. Else, if not counted is greater than until not counted max. Okay. Oh, wait a second. What? Why is this? Why did I decide to do 0? Now explain bounce on a crazy style. Now explains on it crazy style. Bounce on it crazy style. Henya hyper. Bounce on it. Dio. Henya dance. Crazy style. Henya hyper. Bounce on it. What the fuck? Why is this in here? It shouldn't be in there. And now it's showing like 0. All right, I'm gonna have to contains count within number contains if within contains count if within. Okay, let's see. Counted plus plus. Not counted max. Min count. Let's see what it is like when I do this. I don't even know what I'm passing. What am I passing? 70%? All right. Let's try this again. I think I need to do the greater than equal to. I made a TikTok and Instagram for triple uploading your stuff. Nice. All right, so I don't know why it's going 0. Holy fuck. Why is it showing 0? Okay, I knew that was greater than equal to. All right, so this looks right. I could do this. If not, then we can put the thing in here. There we go. If not counted, greater than that. Okay. We're doing all that shit. We don't need to do the count. And then we can just do count equals, I guess, not counted. If it's everything, it'd be minus 0. Count equals Lana Fields. Minus not counted. There you go. Like TikTok be weird compared to YouTube Shorts. What's up with those? I don't like TikTok. I'd rather like American homegrown corporation fucking brainwash me than some foreign corporation brainwash me. Foreign corporation that definitely doesn't care about us over here. Okay. Within min. There we go. Let's save this. So I think I'm having a hard time here. Find message contains. If within min is true, count. Okay, it does that. And should the count somewhere along the lines it's like making this 0. I guess like we can just do this. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Equals count. Why was count 0? I don't know any longer. If it's not in there, on count plus plus. I had a count in there, like it counted it, and then like one of them did a count, one of them didn't. Anyways. Okay, for I guess we can do like this here. I'm just gonna put this in here just in case. Shit. I'm gonna do this. And then we'll just do false here. There we go. Let's try this again. Why is it 0? And like this Henya dance here, this shouldn't be in here. It shouldn't be in here at all. The messages. Interesting. Like this shouldn't be in here. Like it's all lower to lower, but it should have got rid of like the Henya hyper, all that shit. Created sorted. All right. Created sorted. Created sorted emote name. We copy it. There we go. Return. Sorted messages. Emotes. Replace all. Replace all. String old new. Emote.name. I didn't do a two lower in it yet, right? iMessage, emote name. All right. Downloads. Home. I'm going to look at the my save files. So Henya Dio. So Henya Dio. Yeah. Let's go into this and see. Let's look at this. Because it might be all too lower on like Henya Dance and all that shit. That'd be good to know. Copy. I should put it like a comma. All right, we'll be back. Let's go to the chat JSON. I think it's here. Test JSONs. I got a Henya in here. I'm gonna grab that. And no, I want to grab this. All right. Control V. Bounce on it. Henya Dance. Hyper style. Hyper. Bounce on it. Dio style. Wait a second. I want to print this. Well, it's not, it's going to be so hard to find. Like, Henya Dia, Henya Evil Laugh. Bounce on it, Dio. Wait a second. How many of these are there? Happy birthday. I know it sounds weird. Henya head pats. Henya dance, Henya dance, Henya dance. Okay, bounce on it. Dio. Henya dance. Crazy style, Henya hyper. Bounce on it, Dio. Am I missing something here? Am I missing something here? Accept message. Emotes. Emote name. So when I create this, I load those all up. Author name, blah, 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 blah. This is Twitch message. Badge, get image badge. JSON name, get image, emote. Ooh, emote, JSON name. All right. I put them all in there. I load those all up. Blah, blah, blah. Then I go into here. It wasn't doing this before. I'm pretty sure, I guess it did have it in there. Did a fucking bit get flipped somewhere? All right. Emote. Grab the emote. Emote name. That should be the name in it, right? X message. That's the message. Sort of message. And this should just be like, wait a second. Okay, it copies it all in there. I should just put X in here. For range of x.emotes. There we go. F sorted I. Emote name. It's a string. So the message is the message. It's a string. Replace all. Replace all returns a copy of strings S into a non-overlapping instance of old replaced by new. If old is empty, it matches at the beginning of the string for each what? Okay, so is there like a replace? What's replace do? Okay, replace returns a copy of the string S, the first in non-overlapping instance of old replaced by new. If old is empty, it matches at the beginning of the string each blah 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 k plus 1 replacement for the k room string. If n is less than 0, there is no limit to the number of replacements. All right. I mean, I could just accept message. Ooh. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. There's my problem. Yeah, you see what's wrong. So I should just do like accept message here. Right. There we go. There, and then accept message here. We'll put it in there. There we go. That's that. Oh, hey-oh. Hey-oh. So, ooh, what's wrong here? What's wrong, bitch? Oh, we'll just do replace all. There we go. Accept, there we go. Crazy style. All right, so bounce on it, bounce on it, bounce on it, bounce on it. I guess like I should do this. There's like a double space. I guess I can keep that in there. We can do that. That doesn't matter. All right, now why is this giving a 0? That should be like 100. Percentage. That should be given 100. Percentage contained. Miscount. Okay, message. It's probably something to do with this. You know how like I was kind of messing it up. So we got the message count, message contains equals count. Okay, if message contains equals len. I guess I can do this. I guess we'll just do this for everyone. Fuck it. If num contains there we go. Message num contains equals count. The count should be like full, right? Let's say it's 7. That should be fields. Okay. Okay. And we'll do this. Bam. Found is true. Message found true. Slice stable. Message emotes. What's this? Oh. Wait a second. Okay. I can do like true, comma true. Heh. Heh. Within. All right, so we do all those. N contains. If it's greater than 0, return that. I guess like yeah. Okay, found. I should just like, what's found? I should make found false here. There we go. There we go. And then I can just get rid of this. Let's just return this. I don't know what I'm doing here. I guess if this is nil, it probably, that'd be interesting. I wonder if this is nil. If I return a nil, will it fucking like, will it crash on me? Let's see if it does. It must be a slice. Fuck you. Let's see if it crashes. It did. All right, so There we go. Well, I can make like, let's say like I just like do this again. Let's see what happens when I do this again. All right. It doesn't like this. I guess like in here, I guess. Because there might be a time when I don't get anything, right? So I think here, if message emotes equals nil or equals 0, if length of this equals 0, then return nil. What the fuck? Turn nil and like false, else. Equivalencies. Maybe it's like the print. There it goes. I don't know why it was 0. Maybe there's like some issue. So yeah, bounce on it, bounce on it, bounce on it. All right, so we got a print. I might have to go to bed here. Ow. Let's do a comma there. Comma there. Do we need a comma? Let's go ahead and use a comma there. All right, so Cyberwolf. I don't know if we need a comma at the end of that. I think we'll be okay. All right, user and then message. There we go. Problems. What the fuck is this? What? Where did this come from? What? What the fuck? When did this... What? What the fuck? Do I have bad memory? Author name? Author? Message author? What? User? I don't remember like going in there and changing anything. I should double check this. Like, what the fuck, Dio? It seemed a lot faster. I like to see like time it. All right. Bounce on a Dio. Nice. All right. So. Great. I didn't do anything that I wanted. So, okay, let's update these things. I guess like we'll put image handler. What do I do here? Created a, I guess an image, I guess like a cache. Created a cache to handle images. Wait a second. Did I need to do that for this one? Slices. Get image. Okay. Remove. Okay. Oh, this is created a means to if an image got deleted, if a image file got deleted, it will re-download it. Yeah. There you go. All right. So here, did a ton of shit. Let's see what this is. Version. I think did I put it back in? I think I took it out. Or is it int or something? Okay, so. All right, so. Changed how saving. Changed how saving. Changed how images were saved. Changed how file save names. There we go. So I can commit. All right, did I do that? Let's cut this. All right, so let's add that there. And there we go. And this here. Okay, so that there. I think this here too. So these are just sample JSONs. Files. Sample JSON files. There we go. Commit. And create feed. We're not going to do that yet. So this feed here, I did a lot of shit. Searches. Mainly like a search. Emote Lin. Added search. And blah, blah, blah. And what are these called? Methods for chat message. There we go. That was this one, right? There we go. Commit. I think this is how I should do it. Okay, so changed up the examples. Okay, changed up the example. All right, so let's commit this. There we go. Aha, did it right. Aha. All right. So there's a few things that bug me. So I'm going to go into the next time. I guess I'm going to be GitHub. Next time, what is this? All right. I will actually work on the other program. Okay, so pull requests. I keep on fucking around with this shit. So, all right. Issues. Yeah, let's do an issue. New issue. Okay. Emotes have different names. Okay, so emote images will have different names, even though they are the same emote. Like example, like Henya. Example, Henya dance will also have Nya. I'll have like Nya dance, ants, CE. This is not the program's fault. This is actually the JSON's fault. JSON, at least for Twitch, fault. There should, so getting images needs to be done a little bit differently. Getting the image, getting and saving the images needs to be done a little differently. All right. Yeah. Yep. Maybe finding all the stuff first. Then saving later. Who knows? Like find all the times. How do I put this? Like in advance. This is not the program's fault. Oh yeah. Thing is, they are downloaded from the same URL. Yeah. So maybe finding stuff later. Maybe finding all the emotes. Maybe finding all the emote names later. Emote names later. Then all emote names first, then saving everything. Saving everything later after doing the whole stream JSON. I know, clear as mud. as mud. There we go. Solution? It'll take it like a whole. It will take a whole rework of this, but if the emotes, but there is a chance the emote names can be shared. Can be shared with another. I guess like with another can be shared with another with a different streamer streams, with a different streamers chat emotes. Yeah. This can cause problems. All right, so let's create that. There we go. Open. Eventually get to it, so I don't forget, right? Yeah. Assignees. All right. 12:45. Meow 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 meow. All right, let's do like one thing. So, all right. Go mod. Go mod tidy, I guess. You're editing. Nice. What are you editing? What are you using? Caden Live? Don't show this again, bitch. It's a parody. Mary Eagle ad. I gotta like write down like all my fucking sketches that I want to do. All right. New window. What the fuck? Oh, what did I do? I don't know what I just did. There we go. Oh, Union? Who's Union? Open folder. Chat printer. There we go. There we go. Jump to video. Oh shit. I need more than fucking what I'm... Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What's this? Changes? Go mod, go some. And you what the fuck? Is this all in here? What is in here? It's not in here. Out message loader. Hold on a second. Oh, I guess it is there. Yeah, I don't need this. We're deleting this. This is way too big. So glad I looked at that. All right. Go private, alter Derek. There we go. Go download GitHub, alter Derek. Malform module path. What the fuck? Go mod tidy or something. I don't know. Okay, go mod tidy. There we go. Nice. Okay, so create image, Pippa, create feed, Pippa JSON. All right, so do we got a Pippa in here? Yeah, we gotta get this out. Delete that. Move that to the trash, bitch. All right, so we're gonna grab the Pippas here. And what is this? Yeah. I guess this will be in the main. Chat printer. JSON files. I guess we'll have it in the main. All right, so we'll bring this in here. Boom. And Pippa Twitch. There we go. There we go. And okay. Print message. Main. I guess I should make it like examples or something. I don't know. Okay, so I should make like a folder called like examples or whatever. I don't know. Examples. There we go. And then I think I did like a test on this, so there we go. Example, oh, test, wait a second. Test print. There we go. Package main. Func main. And then I guess test print. What? This should be Ultra Derek GG. No, no, no. Copy. There we go. Ah, shit. There we go. I need to remove, like... Can I remove, like... Froggleman? Interesting. All right. Create feed, Pippa, YouTube, Jason. Create feed. There we go. I don't need this any longer. Okay. These nuts, return one. I don't know what I got that. Image loader, out. Message print. I'm gonna delete this. Yeah, let's delete this. There we go. Did she beat the game? Out. So, okay. I want to have like a menu and all that shit. So, why do we call it main.go? Do I have to call it main.go? I wonder. Where's my go? No. Okay, home. And go. Package. Mod. GitHub. Huh. Package. Ooh. Huh. Okay. YouTube archive. Okay. Man, this guy keeps on updating this shit. Okay. Make sh. Ooh, there's a make. What the fuck? I didn't know you had to have a make. He does have a main. Does he read change? Okay. Let's find like YouTube archive. Go build race. Interesting. Yeah, with that one, you most certainly encounter issues regarding video details not found. I haven't been running into too many issues. How's it know to install it? If they work, great. If not, too bad. Love it. Love it. AKA Mac people, fuck off. Yeah, I want to go in here and like make an API. Yeah, I want to make an API. Baby. Go mod. Interesting. Shell escape. Oh, shell escape. That's kind of cool. I should look at that. Oh. Man. Have I been needing that? Maybe. Go SGR to duration, go colorable. Netscape cookies? Holy shit. I'm surprised there's no like is he actually fucking is he actually like putting all this shit together? Someday I want to like try seeing if I can grab the JSONs from like, you know, like a chat. Yeah. Find message PPP. Find message contains. There we go. There we go. Did I save this? Okay, I found. Let's see if this works. Go run main.go. Hell yeah. There's a lot. There's a lot of P's in there. Wait a second. Yeah. There we go. The JSON's in the chat. Well, like, I don't know much about like internet stuff, so. Okay, so this is mine. Like, I could pop this out, right? And now I got like this. I can copy that. Now, what happens if I if I put that like into like some sort of like reader. I don't know. I don't know what this grabs. Like, what is this? Let's put in here. All right. It puts everything in there. So how does it grab these things? View source page. No. Was it F12 or something? Inspect. There we go. So like, what's this? Menu visible. Modern ID, whole message clickable. I don't know what that says. Bunch of fucking, holy shit. There's a bunch of encryption. Params. Like, where's the actual like JSON? Or this whole thing? I don't know what that flex is. Holy fuck, what the fuck is this? So yeah, that's like that, but I don't know what that does. It's a member. Author photo. Class. Content class. I thought there would be like a JSON in it. Yeah. Menu. YouTube live chat. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how this person like grabbed all the shit. Share toolset text member 2 months. Oh yeah, baby. Image. Oh baby. So what's this? Is this you? Can I copy this? Eh. Where's that link? Son of a bitch, where's that link? So we got the image source. Copy. Copy. Image source. Where's the source? What is that? I don't know what it is, Grab. I've never fucking played around in this before. Ah, it's so funny, dude. All right, so it shows a star. I was just trying to find out like where this is. Like, why can't I grab like the? You son of a bitch. Why could I? There we go. Yeah, there it is. What's this? So I could find that. I could find like your name somewhere, like there, author name. But I don't know how to like. I don't know how to fucking parse this shit. And they could just fucking change it up. If they ever change it up once, it's like, oh no. So it has your name there. Right there. Yeah, you can't even see it. Can I like increase the size? This is what they feed your. This is what they feed your fucking your browser. Your browser basically like grabs code from somewhere, takes it, and then like runs it. Yeah, let's go. Has your name here. So I don't know if they got the JSON from somewhere. I gotta like check to see, or if they got like, or if they just took the, you know, they took the thing and just kind of like went with it. But I can see that you're a member 2 months. Like this here. I don't know if they got the JSON somewhere or what. Okay, so what happens if... All right. Cool, I can't read it. That was this, right? All right. Hell yeah. Okay, that came in right there. But I wonder why, like, this is all fucking... How do I put it? I have to see how the chat downloader thing, how they did theirs. Author photo. Style scope. Because, like, I'd like to do this live. (2008). They didn't have JSON. I don't think they had JSON, basically, whenever I was in college. Yeah, I'm gonna have to like make my own thing of this in order to I think the one that's made is made in using Python. So I need to make a menu. I guess like I'll take in all the things and then do a menu. I got far enough to learn how to steal radio from a website, place it on my podcast station. Nice. They play Japanese music? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, let's just do that here. Yeah, I'm like literally doing it right now. I'm going through like the elements. It just pops up. Console sources. Ooh. Hell yeah. They have them all encrypted for some odd reason. There we go. network, performance, memory, application security. What's this lighthouse? I'm just looking at it here. Oh, fucking MySpace, they lost all their data, didn't they? So, yeah, I don't know how this looks. Like if I'm just grabbing it, like, I don't know how it looks. I don't know if like there's an API, like maybe there's a Google API I need to like use. I'll have to look at the chat downloader. Yeah. All right. Next time I'm gonna make a menu, and I don't know when that's gonna be. Soon, because like I'm actually hinging. I got one freaking I got one. Let me think here. I have one clip of clips, a Pippa one that I'm waiting to have this program be done. And once that's done, I can fucking fix it. Eventually I got a virus on the computer and practically bricked it. Nah. Grandmama saved it. Nice. All right. I'm out. I'm Audi 5000. I gotta get up. Ah, shit. I gotta get up. Clip of clips. Pop, 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 pop. I'm Audi 5000, baby. Of course, I was working on my fucking sort algorithm and all that shit. I was hoping to make a menu, but then I found issues. Should end it with some of these vines. Ah, vibes. Should 70s vibes. Wow. I have no idea what you're talking about. Yeah, so I'll be out of here, Dio. I'll be on later on tonight. And maybe I'll make a menu, I don't know. One of these days, I gotta like do my furnace. It's to leave y'all off like in a fucking happy mood. All right, I'm out of here. I am out of here. Yeah. You don't see my ears. Out of here. Good night. Good night. Soon you'll have a good night. As soon as I hit the stop streaming button. Soon. All right, good night.